Okay, guys. We're gonna start making Pac-Man. I went off. Sorry. It's going away.
Help.
Oh, okay. So we're gonna make the eyes. We rip some fluid off of it. And we put this white thing under the blue thing. And we put it right there. So, and we're gonna do some cuts right here. This is gonna be Pac-Man versus Pac-Man. I don't know what I'm talking about. Right? Look. So we made a thing for Pac-Man. And Pac-Man has teeth, so I'm gonna rip some. And
Here's some more Play-Doh.
you see the little dog? Wow! We're gonna put it right here.
Es la marca Philips. Esa marca siempre ha salido buena.
Oh, shit.
Voy a sacar bien la numeración porque esa es la numeración, pero a ver si tienen la cara.
So we're gonna rip some off.
Por el internet.
Hey, stop it. So you see this little dot? Look at it.
Okay, that's close enough. That's close enough, maybe.
And we're gonna put them on the mouth. Yeah. Mouth. And we're gonna put the teeth. There's some background in the background. And we're gonna make a lot of teeth so it could work. You see this big dot? We're gonna make big so it could fit in the smile. And we actually squish it really tight and put them together. So we got like, sorry guys. That was nothing. So we're gonna look at it. So thanks guys for watching. Bye. Hello. Oh.
No one's taking you out. No one's taking you out.
Really, Eddie? Oh! I thought you were talking to Nathan. I was about to say what?
So look at my favorite.
Okay.
Bye. Subscribe. So I'm gonna make another
Subscribe.
Ooh!
Subscribe.
Subscribe and follow us on Twitter.
What?
Yeah.
Twitter?
Yeah.
No one has Twitter.
Yes, they do.
I don't have Twitter.
Okay. Just So this Pac-Man, I'm gonna make another video. Huh?
Okay, whatever. Bye.
And I'm gonna make more of these. A lot.